Islamabad police have decided to establish strong anti-riot force to deal with protest in capital having what quantity of personnel? 2,500. PSO 7 Ghotki by-election held on the 5th of March 2018 was won by Bari Pdafi. When was Indian spy and RAS serving officer was caught by ISI in Baluchistan? The 3rd of March 2016. Which provincial government has issued driving licenses to transgender people? KPK. On the 29th of February 2016, Mumtaz Qadri executed at Central Jail of _blank. Rawalpindi. ECP has added one more NA seat for which territory of Pakistan? Islamabad Capital Territory. Which chairperson's allegations regarding Zainab murderer are termed as baseless by JIT, and SC has refused to accept verbal apology? Dr. Shahid Masood. Notification is held for how many senators over dual nationality by ECP as ordered by SC? 4. PP 30 Sargada by-election held on the 4th of March 2018 was won by Yasser Zafar Sindhu, who has been appointed as Pakistan's ambassador to USA. Dr. Asad Majid Khan. Which flight service of PAK has become first to receive ISO 9001 certification? PIA. As per report of Establishment Division, how many government officers hold dual nationality? 213. Hairdresser Association of which province has announced to avoid Western-styled haircuts? KPK. Who has become the Pakistan's first female two-star general? Major Gen. RETD, Shahida Malik.